Welcome to our channel, where we uncover the wonders of the natural world. In today's episode, we embark on a fascinating journey to explore the behavior of woodpeckers. Have you ever wondered why these incredible birds peck on wood? Stay tuned as we unveil the secrets behind their rhythmic drilling and discover the important role they play in our ecosystems. But before we dive into the depths of this intriguing behavior, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell, so you never miss out on our captivating explorations of nature's wonders. Let's begin. The fascinating behavior of woodpeckers. Why do they peck wood? Woodpeckers are fascinating creatures known for their distinctive behavior of pecking on trees. With their strong beaks and unique adaptations, they engage in this repetitive drilling activity for a variety of reasons. While it may seem like an odd behavior, there are several explanations behind why woodpeckers peck wood. One, foraging for food. One primary reason woodpeckers peck wood is to find food. They have a specialized diet that often includes insects, larvae, ants, beetles, and other small creatures living within tree bark. By drumming their beaks against the wood, they create vibrations that disturb insects hidden beneath the surface. These vibrations serve as a sort of dinner bell for the woodpecker, allowing them to detect the movements of their prey. Once located, they use their long, sticky tongues to extract the insects from their hiding places. Two, establishing territories. Woodpeckers are highly territorial birds, and pecking on wood is a way for them to communicate and defend their territory. The distinct sound produced by their pecking serves as a vocalization that can be heard over long distances. By drumming on trees, woodpeckers establish their presence and signal to other woodpeckers to stay away. This behavior is particularly common during the breeding season when males want to attract females and deter rival males from encroaching on their territory. Three, nesting and excavation. Woodpeckers are known for their ability to create cavities in tree trunks for nesting purposes. Pecking on wood allows them to excavate hollows, which serve as safe havens for raising their young. The drilling action creates a hole that provides protection from predators and harsh weather conditions. These cavities are often reused by other bird species, such as owls and chickadees, after the woodpeckers have moved on, making them important contributors to the overall ecosystem. 4. Communication and mating rituals. Woodpeckers use drumming as a form of communication with other members of their species. Each species has its own unique drumming pattern, which helps individuals identify and locate potential mates. Male woodpeckers, in particular, engage in elaborate drumming displays to attract females. The rhythmic pecking on wood acts as a courtship behavior and is a way for males to demonstrate their vigor, strength, and reproductive fitness. #5. Territory maintenance and defense. Woodpeckers diligently guard their territories, and pecking on wood helps them defend their turf against intruders. When a rival woodpecker or other bird encroaches upon their territory, the resident woodpecker will respond by drumming louder and more vigorously. This behavior is meant to intimidate and signal the invader to back off. In some cases, woodpeckers may engage in physical confrontations, using their beaks as weapons to protect their space. Woodpeckers have evolved various adaptations to support their pecking behavior. Their skulls have thicker bones and unique structural features that help cushion the impact of the repetitive drilling. They also have specialized muscles and a long, barbed tongue that aids in extracting insects from the drilled holes. While woodpeckers' pecking behavior may seem destructive to trees, it is important to note that they primarily target dead or decaying wood. They play a vital role in maintaining forest ecosystems by removing decaying trees and creating habitat for other species. In conclusion, woodpeckers peck wood for multiple reasons, including foraging, establishing territories, excavating nests, communicating, and defending their space. This behavior is a testament to their remarkable adaptations and their ecological importance. And that wraps up our adventure into the world of woodpeckers and their woodpecking habits. From foraging for food and establishing territories to nesting and communication, these remarkable birds have captivated us with their unique behaviors. We hope you enjoyed this episode and gained a deeper understanding of the fascinating lives of woodpeckers. If you found this video informative and engaging, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow nature enthusiasts. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more captivating explorations of the natural world. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, keep exploring and celebrating the wonders of our planet.